A split screen divides the modern office, revealing two starkly contrasting investment strategies. On one side, a chaotic mess mirrors the potential for both immense gains and devastating losses. The other side shows a balanced portfolio, promising stability and long-term gains. On-screen text urges viewers to reevaluate your risk tolerance and rebalance regularly, emphasizing the importance of informed financial decisions. Sunlight floods the tax advisor's office, illuminating a space filled with financial promise. Vibrant infographics adorn the wall, shedding light on the secrets of Roth IRAs and 401ks. Bold letters on the screen declare, "Invest tax efficiently and keep investment fees low." A stark comparison chart reveals the hidden erosion of returns caused by fees over time. A montage flashes across the screen, revealing the allure of luxurious real estate and the volatility of crypto markets. Cautionary notes appear, a stark reminder of the ever-present risks. A graph charts market fluctuations, underscoring the need for discipline. The narrator's voice resonates with a crucial message: stay focused long-term.